since I last heard your voice.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. It is Saturday today. I've just put on my workout clothes and we are about to head out to Santa Monica this morning with our friends Sona and Cass. We're gonna do a hike and then get some lunch or like a brunch afterwards. So I'm really excited for that. Santa Monica is beautiful. It's right by the ocean. The views from there are absolutely incredible. So I hope that on the hike it's gonna be like nice, like you can maybe see over the ocean, I'm not sure. But yeah, it should be really nice. And before we go, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast and maybe make Mo some breakfast too because he's now at the gym. But I will definitely make myself some oatmeal with maybe a smoothie actually. I think I'll do a smoothie and oatmeal. So I thought I would take you guys along with me for this day and maybe do like a what I eat in a day or like a day in the life or something like that and just show you guys what we get up to today. But so far we have been loving being here in Los Angeles. The weather, I'm looking up at the sky right now, it's crazy beautiful, like super sunny. It's been around like 20 degrees, so it's not, you know, super hot, but it's not cold either. It's like a perfect chill normal temperature, you know, so you don't have to wear like a huge jacket, but you're also not in like a little tank top. But just in general as well, I love that the lifestyle here is quite health and wellness orientated. So you've got lots of great restaurants with so many healthy, delicious food options and things that I would eat a lot of, you know. I also love that you can be quite active in terms of like, you know, there's lots of different hiking trails, lots of different cool like workout classes and things like that. I've been really into hot Pilates. I've done that a few times and you guys, it's intense but so good. And you know that I like to do Pilates, but hot Pilates, it's obviously like in a heated room and it's for about an hour and the teachers there are amazing. So yeah, I've just been having a ball here. I got a few things from Sephora yesterday, so I thought I would just quickly show you what I got. So I actually went there because my sunscreen was finished, so I decided to get this one from Supergoop. This is the Zinc Screen 100% mineral lotion and it has an SPF of 40. I got this one because I really liked how it felt on the back of my hand in the store. It's quite thin and not too heavy, and it's also 100% mineral, which is important if you do have more sensitive or acne prone skin because it's a lot less irritating for the skin than a chemical sunscreen. I also got another moisturizer. This is my favorite one. It's by Drunk Elephant. It's the Protini polypeptide cream. I was also running low on this, so I just picked up another one. And then this is from a brand called Ilia. It's their True Skin Serum Concealer, and this is a very clean, natural brand, so the ingredients in their products are really good, but unfortunately the color is a little bit too light, so I want to go back and get a darker shade. This one is called Yucca. I applied it this morning and the texture is really nice. I like how it applies and how it blends, but yeah, the color is just wrong for me.
For someone like you, I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
So I've had my smoothie and now I'm gonna have some oats, and then this is coconut yogurt with some cinnamon and chopped walnuts on top. And this is Mo's breakfast. I've made him some scrambled eggs, some gluten-free English muffins with avocado and some spices on top.
So we're on the hike. Cass, which hike is it?
The hike.
Okay,
The hike.
the hike, guys. We're on the hike.
Temescal Canyon.
There you go. Sona's hype crew right there.
Hey, how you doing?
Then they answer with the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like nobody says I'm good or I'm not good. Or, oh, imagine. Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Alright guys, we've made it to the top. We have this incredible view here. It is so gorgeous. There is Pacific Palisades. And then there's the ocean. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are little sailboats right there. So beautiful.
Look at that.
We are sitting at Erewhon and having some late lunch. We've got a cauliflower pizza, right? Like a vegan cauliflower pizza, vegan cheese. And then I've got this little assortment here. I've got carrots, a salad with kale, broccoli, I think, some sweet potatoes.
This is
having mac and cheese.
This is the best.
but it's a vegan.
Oh, the spicy cauliflower?
You have to try it. It's
I will. And I also have
It
a
said it's
cappuccino
gluten free
here.
and
And now we're having some sweets. We have a chocolate chip cookie, a double chocolate brownie, and a banana chocolate chip bread. Banana bread with chocolate chips. And we're sitting at a place called Sweet Laurel. And it's gluten-free, dairy-free.
and no refined sugar.
Nice.
So cool, right?
My type of sweets. So we're now driving through Pacific Palisades. This is the same area that we went to hike in, but we're now looking at some of the houses. They're very beautiful. We're manifesting. Yes, we're manifesting. Alright guys, it is now around 7 o'clock in the evening. We are back home. I've showered and washed my face. I felt quite sweaty and a bit like dusty from the hike, and I was actually quite cold as well, so it was really nice just to take a hot shower. I feel really warm and clean now, so I'm gonna relax a little bit and then we are gonna meet up again for dinner. But today was really nice. We went for the hike, as you guys would have seen, and then we had lunch at Palisades Park at an Erewhon. An Erewhon is a really nice, like kind of like a luxury grocery store here, and they have really nice, like very healthy specialty types of foods. So we had lunch there and then we walked around a little bit in the shopping area at Palisades. I think it's called Palisades Garden or Palisades Village. Palisades Village, that's what it's called. And it's really pretty. And they have really cute shops and like nice little gardens, and it's just very beautiful. And then we drove around that area and we had a look at some of like the nicer houses there. We also drove through Brentwood, and I remember the first time, or one of the first times that I came to Los Angeles years and years ago, a friend of mine took me to Brentwood, and I said to myself, one day I want to live here, and it was really nice to go back there. But now we're back home. I'm gonna relax a little bit and then get myself ready for dinner. We're meeting Sona and Cass again and a couple of their friends at a place downtown. I definitely feel a workout from the hike today, and I think just from the last few days. We did a hike not so long ago, and I've also been doing the hot Pilates like I mentioned, so my legs are like killing me right now. This is what my shoes look like today after the hike. So crazy. They're usually white, but as you can see now, they're like a beige. So I'm actually just going to throw these into the washing machine on a quick cycle and they will get white again.
it's gonna break if I don't get to hold.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday today. The last time I spoke with you was Saturday night. We were going to the restaurant. I showed you a few clips of the food. I really liked the atmosphere and the vibe of the restaurant. There was music, you know, the lights were quite cozy and the place was nice, but the food wasn't my favorite. Some of the things we were eating were delicious, but it was a lot of like small plates that we were all sharing, and some of it did taste really good, but yesterday I did not feel the best. I think it was just the combination of all different types of food and lots of different ingredients. Definitely felt it on my digestion yesterday. So yesterday we just kept it very casual. We were at home pretty much the whole day, just taking it easy. So I thought instead, to make this a more complete what I eat in a day, I would show you a really cool restaurant that I love here in LA that has really good healthy food, and take you along for our lunch and show you what I get. And this is something that I would also have for dinner, or I would also make something like this at home. This is my look today. I'm wearing these very comfy linen pants from Mango, and this knit top is actually also from Mango, as is my blazer. And then I've got my new Chanel bag on, which I love so much, and my sneakers are my normal Dior white sneakers that I wear pretty much every day. By the way, I want to show you guys what my sneakers look like now. So they've been washed, and as you can see, they are nice and bright and white again. So that's definitely a tip. If you have white sneakers that can be washed, definitely do that, and you can keep them looking pretty much like new.
Now what's the vibe? Is it party time? Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, feeling the vibe, we are so lit.
Alright guys, we are now at Cafe Gratitude. It's this restaurant right here, and they have so many great options here. I've ordered this salad, and Mo's gotten the Mexican bowl. I had this the other day and it is delicious. We also got the buffalo cauliflower, and we had the grilled yams the other day too. Really good. And then here they have their drinks. They've got fresh juices and also some smoothies, different tonics, and then coffee and tea. This is a place I would definitely recommend here.
So get up on your feet and get on down. Real low. One foot to the left and jump to the right on your feet, and get on down.
Our food has arrived. This is my salad. Looks amazing. We also have a side salad here. This is Mo's Mexican bowl, which is so delicious. One of my favorite things here. And then we've also gotten the buffalo cauliflower.
It's me and you now. Let me smoke that pipe. Oh, feeling so fly.
Guys, all the food is eaten. It's so delicious, can't imagine. Been just eating these ones, so good. So Annie went to the toilet. I think after that we're gonna have a stroll here on Rodeo Drive for this area. So let's see.
Okay, we just picked up some juice from Erewhon. I got a green juice with apple, and Mo got a carrot, ginger, lemon, beetroot juice.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? So get up on your feet, get up on your feet, and get on down. Oh, real low. One foot to the left and jump to the right on your feet, and get on down, and get on down.
Look at this beautiful sunset happening right now. We were just driving around. There's Mo taking a photo. That is gorgeous. We are now back home, and I wanted to wrap up this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any specific requests or things that you guys want to see from our time here in LA. I hope that you're enjoying these vlogs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.